Standard fourth, a look inside the body. We have learnt there is a special places for internal organs. Just observe this picture and find out the special places for internal organs. Digestive system. From mouth to esophagus, then stomach, then small intestine, and then large intestine, and then it goes to the rectum. The digestive system, look, the pictures are these are the internal organs. Esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, liver, mouth. When we inhale air, the chest expands. Our blood carries the air to all parts of the body. This way. To all parts of the body, the blood is carried. Digested food, when we eat, so our food gets digested. For these purposes, it is necessary to keep blood flowing through the blood vessels that spread throughout the body. Heart. Look, heart is located here. When the bottle is pressed, water flows out in a jet. When you let it go, water stops flowing out. When pressure is applied to a liquid in a closed space, the liquid will gush from wherever it finds a way out. If you want to feel your heartbeat, place your palm a little to the left of the center of your chest. Here you can feel the pulse, your heartbeat. Do you know, when we are sleeping quietly, the pulse becomes slower. When we are running, the pulse becomes faster. Lungs. Windpipe. And this is bronchus. Heart is located here. Lung is here, and this is a rib cage. Brain here. It is in the brain that we become aware of emotions such as anger, joy, sorrow, etc. The meaning of the information collected by our sensory organs is also understood in the brain. Injury to the brain can make one disabled for life. It can even cause death. Hence, the brain needs to be totally protected. That is the function of the shell or casing formed by the skull around it. The structure of our body is very complex. There are large number of organs inside our body which help it to perform all its functions smoothly. Always remember, if in any accident, if the head is hit, the skull can get broken. If that happens, it can cause injury to the brain. Then the person can become disabled for life or even die. That is why one must always wear a helmet when riding a motorcycle or scooter. We should learn to take care of ourselves. Thank you.